Good morning, students. In the previous class we did that question number 5. Today is that question number 6. I am reading the question. See here. Hira bought 25 kgs of rice at 48 rupees per kg and 35 kgs of rice at rupees 60. Find his gain as percentage if he sold the mixture at 66 per kg. He bought 25 kgs rice and also that 35 kgs rice. 25 kgs rice cost is 48 per kg and this 35 kgs rice cost is 60 rupees per kg. Find his gain percent if he sold the mixture at rupees 66 per kg. So here is the question. I am rubbing that question. You can follow from the textbook. Okay, here is the solution. Number of kgs of rice is equal to 25 kgs. Cost of 25 kgs rice is equal to how much? 48 per kg. 48 per kg is 25 into 48. 25 into 48. Multiply by using the 25 table. 25 into 48. Multiply the 25 into 48. So using 25 table, 25 8s are 200, 0, 20 will be balanced, 25 4s are 100, 120. That is 1200 rupees. Now, number of kgs of rice bought second time is equal to 60 kgs. She bought 60 kgs. So, how much is that one? Cost of 1 kg is equal to 60 rupees. So, answer cost of 35 kgs is equal to 35 into 60. 0, 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30, 6 5 are 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. So that is 2100. 2100. Up to here what we did? She bought two times the price. First time she bought 25 kgs. Second time she bought 35 kgs. First time she bought that one 25 kgs rice. The cost of price is 48 per kg. Second time she bought the 35 kgs. The cost of 1 kg rice is 60 rupees. So cost of the 35 into 60 is 2100 and the cost of the thing is 1200. So this is up to here. Only half of the sum is completed. See that. So here is continuation of sum. Cost of 25 kgs rice is equal to 1200 rupees. Cost of 35 kgs rice is equal to rupees 2100. 2100. The cost of the two things is like this. Now what we have to find, and also in the question it is given that one. Now total cost price is equal to, add this ones, 0033 3300. That is 3300. Now total mixed rice is equal to 25 plus 35 is equal to 60 kgs. Cost of 1 kg mixer is equal to 66 rupees per kg. Now cost of 66 kgs is equal to 66 into 60. That is 0. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. 3960 rupees. Up to here what we did? The cost price of 25 kg is 1200. The cost price of 35 kg is 2100. Total cost price is 3300. Total mixed rice is 25 kg plus 35 kg, that is 60 kg. And he is selling that one mixed rice is for 66 rupees. So 66 into 60, 3960. He took for 3300 and he is selling for 3960. So he got profit. How much profit he got? We have to see. So here The cost price is 3,300 and the selling price is 3,960. He got the profit. So how much is the profit we have to see. Profit is equal to formula SP minus CP. Substitute in the formula, that is P is equal to 3960 minus 3300. So profit is equal to 330. So subtraction again here, do that subtraction now. See 0 6 9 minus 6 3. So 9 minus 3 6. Therefore the profit is equal to 660. We have to find the profit percentage is called P by CP into 100. Substitute in the formula, that is 660 by profit is 660, cost price is 3,300 into 100. 0 0 0 0. 33 table 1 time, 2 times, so 20. Therefore profit percentage is 20%. Once again see this sum from here onwards. Cost price is 3,300, selling price is 3,960. So subtraction of these two, answer is 660, that is called profit. So profit percent is 660 by 330, cancellation is 20%. Finally the profit code is 20%. What they ask in the question is, she bought that one 25 kgs rice and 35 kgs rice. Two things, 25 kgs rice and 35 kgs rice, both are mixed and together selling for 66 rupees. So for that profit he got, how much profit he got means 20%. And the next sum is, SP of article is 4 by 5 of its CP. Find the loss percentage. In this question, selling price is not given, cost price is not given. So we have to take it as let. I am taking that one. Let cost price of article is equal to rupees 100. If we will take it as the cost price is 100, what will happen to selling price? Selling price is equal to 4 by 5 of CP. That means 4 by 5 into 100, cancellation 1 time, 20 times, that is 80 rupees. 80 rupees. Cost price is 100 rupees and selling price is 80 rupees. How much loss he got? Loss is equal to CP minus SP. That is substituted in the formula, L is equal to 100 minus 80, that is equal to 20. Loss is 20 rupees. They told to find that one loss percentage also. The formula for loss percentage is equal to L by CP into 100. L by CP into 100. So loss percentage is equal to 20 by 100 into 100. What is this 20? What is this 100 means? 20 is loss, 100 is the selling cost price. So cancel that once. Answer loss percent is equal to 20%. Loss percentage is 20%. Once again see this sum. Selling price of article is 4 by 5 of its CP. So cost price is 100. If you take it means selling price will become 4 by 5 of 100. 4 by 5 into 20, cancellation is 80. 4 20s are 80. Now the loss got is 20 rupees. Loss percentage is L by CP into 100. Loss is 20 and into 100. Cancellation is 20 by percentage. 20%. And the next sum is, okay, here is the next sum, 9th sum. So 8th sum is for homework. Here is that 9th sum. See this one. A man sold a table for rupees 2,250 and gained 1/9 of its CP. Gain 1/9 of its CP. Find that cost price and the gain as a percentage. In this question, cost price is not given and that selling price is also given. So selling price is given and cost price is not given. What is given in this sum solution? Write it at once. Sold means SP. So SP is equal to rupees 2250. Selling price is 2,250. The selling price of an article is 2,250. And the gain is, profit is given as 1/9 of CP. 1/9 of CP, that is 1 by 9 into CP, that is CP by 9. CP by 9. Now, what do I have to do in this question? We know that one, the combination between the selling price and profit is, this is not given in the form of percentage. If it is not given in the form of percentage, we have to start with the smallest formula, that is CP is equal to, formula for cost price is equal to SP minus P. SP minus P. The formula for that one is SPZ minus P. Using this formula, we have to do this sum. I am rubbing now. See it. A man sold. Selling price is 2250. Gain is 1/9 of XP, 1/9 of CP. So 1/9 into CP. That is CP is equal to here 1/9 CP by P. CP by 9. So substituting in the formula and writing that once. Now according to our sum, we are using the formula CP is equal to SP minus P. Substituting in this formula, what is cost price? It is not given that once. So I am taking the cost price as cost price only. CP. SP is given 2250 minus profit is given 1/9. Profit is given 1/9. That is called CP by 9. CP by 9. Once again see this sum. Cost price is not given, so write it as cost price. Selling price is given as 2250 minus profit is CP by 9. Now bringing to the left hand side, that is CP minus will become as plus CP by 9 is equal to 2250. Here what I did means this minus sign becomes as a plus sign. Now taking out the denominator of LCM, the LCM is 9. So 9 CP plus 1 CP is equal to 2250. This will become as 10 CP by 9 is equal to 2250. Now reciprocal, taking off reciprocal, we want only cost price, that is equal to 2250 by, so CP is equal to 2250 into, this will become reciprocal, 9 by 10. 9 by 10. 0, 0 will cancel. Now cost price is 225 into 9. 225 into 9, it will become that multiplication is 2025. 5 is 25, 2025. The cost price of that article is 2025. The cost price of article is 2025 and he sold for 2250. So he got profit. How much profit he got means we have to subtract and we have to do that one percentage. So here he's got that once. He got the profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Substituting in the formula, that is 2250 minus 2025. Subtraction is 225. The profit is 225. We have to find that one profit is 225. We have to find the profit percentage. Profit percent is equal to P by CP into 100. P by CP into 100, that is 225 by 2025 into 100. Using cancellation in 25 table or 5 table. I am doing cancellation in 5 table. 5 table cancellation 405. This 225 in 5 table is 4 times. 25 is 5 times. Again cancellation in 5 table. So 9 times. This will become that one 81 times. 9 table 1 time, 9 times. It is 100 by 9, which is equal to 11 1 by 9 percentage. Therefore the profit percentage is 11 1 by 9 percentage. 11 1 by 9 percentage. So like this we have to do that one 10 sum also. Here in this sum 9 sum is completed, 10 sum we have to do that once, and I am starting that one B exercise. So here is the next sum, 7B exercise. Find the selling price when cost price is given 7640 and gain is given in 15%. We have to see in this chapter gain is given in which form, percentage form or rupees form. If it is given in the form of percentage form, go start with the biggest formula. The solution, the biggest formula is SP is equal to 100 plus profit percent by 100 into CP. Writing in the form, so SP is equal to 100 plus 15 by 100 into the cost price is 7640. Now writing at once 115 by 100 into 7640. Cancellation in 25 table. Using that 5 table, I'll cancel that once. Using 5 table, 20 times. This is 21 times. 0, 0. 2 table cancellation. 3, 8, 2. 382. So no cancellation is there. Now multiplication. 21 into 382. 21 into 382 multiplication. 21 into 382 is 8022. 8022. Therefore, the selling price is equal to rupees 8022. 8022. Once again, see the sum. The selling price is given. So we have to use the biggest formula. When we have to use the biggest formula means because of the percentage is given in the form of gain is given in the form of percentage, we have to write. Loss is given in the form of percentage also, we have to write. If it is not given in that one, the previous sum we did a small formula, that is CP is equal to SP minus P or SP is equal to CP plus P. Using the smallest formulas, we have to use that ones. And the next sum is see here. So like this only the second problem sum. Find the CP. SP is equal to rupees 207. Gain is 15%. The selling price is given 207 and the gain is given 15%. So here profit is given in the form of biggest form. So write the formula for biggest formula for this is CP. So CP biggest formula. CP is equal to, this formula we start with 100. 100 by 100 plus profit percent into SP. So substitute in the formula. This is the formula. Substituting in the formula. Cost price is equal to, the cost price is equal to 100 by 100 plus 15 into, this is 207. 207 is the selling price. So substituting in the formula completed. Now multiplication 100 by 100 plus 15, 115 into 207. Cancellation using table of 5 table 20 times. This is here 15 into 3 23 times. 15 table 23 times. So cancellation using the 23 table, multiply 23 table times 23 with 207. So this will not cancel. So multiplication 207 into 20. 207 into 20 is 7 2s are 14. 0 to 7 2s 2 2s are 4. Answer is 4140. 4140 by 23. Taking into decimal form. Division with decimal form with 23 table. Do the decimal with 23 table. 207 into 23 is 2027 into 20. Completed that once. So doing division with 23 table, one time 180. Answer is 180. Or you can cancel here 23 table one time, 9 times. 9 20s 180. Like that also we can do by doing multiplication, or without doing multiplication also you can do that once. So this is about that sum.